Here are 7 AI automations for productivity. Replace your to-do list with a system. Let us get straight into it. Number 1. AI Task Extractor from emails. AI reads every email and adds tasks with deadlines to your task manager automatically. Make.com, ChatGPT, Todoist, or Notion. Runs every hour in the background. Your inbox stops being your to-do list. Tasks go where they belong. Stack, Gmail, plus Make.com, plus ChatGPT, plus Todoist. Free tier handles 100 emails per day. Number 2. AI Weekly Review. Every Sunday at 6 p.m., AI summarizes your completed tasks, meetings, and emails from the week, delivered as a 10-bullet summary to your phone. No manual review needed. Know exactly what you accomplished without spending 45 minutes reviewing notes. Output: 10-bullet weekly summary every Sunday. Lands on your phone automatically. Number 3. AI Research Briefing Overnight. Add a topic to Notion. AI researches it overnight. Summary waiting in the morning. Make.com triggers on new Notion entries. ChatGPT researches and writes back. Passive research that runs while you sleep. Answers ready when you wake up. How it works. New Notion entry. Make.com, ChatGPT research, summary saved back. Number 4. AI Invoice Processor. Email an invoice. AI extracts vendor, amount, date, category, log to spreadsheet. Make.com watches a dedicated folder. Fully automatic with 0 manual data entry. Works for receipts, invoices, and any structured financial document. Output: vendor plus amount, plus date, plus category, Google Sheets row automatically. Number 5. AI Social Media Scheduler. Write a raw idea. AI refines it for each platform, scheduled for peak times. Make.com plus ChatGPT plus buffer. One rough idea becomes a week of content. 2 minutes of input for 7 days of scheduled platform-optimized posts. Output: one rough idea, Twitter thread plus LinkedIn post plus newsletter, all scheduled. Number 6. AI Customer Reply Drafter. Incoming message. AI drafts a personalized reply, lands in drafts for your review. You approve or edit in 10 seconds instead of writing from scratch every time. Works for Gmail and Outlook via Make.com integration. Time saved: 30-minute reply session becomes 5 minutes of approvals. Number 7. AI Learning Path Generator. Tell AI your skill goal. It builds a 30-day plan, sessions added to your calendar, scheduled around your existing meetings. Never have to figure out what to study next. Personalized to your calendar, your pace, and your current level. Example: learn Python, 30-day plan, daily 20-minute sessions in your calendar. These 7 automations replace the mental overhead of managing a productive life. Build the AI Task Extractor from emails first. Make.com free tier, 20 minutes of setup. Follow for a new smart home tip every day.